going to be doing a tiny little unboxing video. I ordered, I think, 3 things from Swimmer off of Lolita Desu, so I'm super excited to open this package. If you've watched a couple of my videos, you probably know that I love Swimmer, and because they're going out of business, I feel like I have to buy everything I can until I can't buy anything else. So that's what this is. It's me trying to get as many Swimmer things as I possibly can. Alright! So, I just opened this up. And the first thing at the very top is something my friend Melissa tagged me in on Facebook. She tagged me in a picture because it said Lolita Desu released these. And I was like, I have to have one, and she knew that, so she tagged me, and I have one now. It's this cute little cross roller, and it's pink, and it's cute. It has a little heart and some gold little things, and yeah, I love it. I didn't know it was transparent. I think that's like really cute, transparent pink. The second thing that I ordered, oh, there's a little note. Let's read the note first. It says, "Thank you for shopping with us. Please have a great day." I have been having a great day. I hope that Fox and Turtle have a great day too, and you guys. I have another one of these notes from my last order, I believe. It's on my wall over there. You probably can't see it, but they always use really cute markers, and I love this paper. It's very cute. Okay, on to the actual Swimmer things. I got these face masks. Woo! I love pictures where people wear the cute like patterned face masks, yeah, and I think it's just so sweet. So I ordered some of these. I'm gonna open it up so we can see the pattern a little bit better. That's so sweet. I'm gonna stretch it out a little bit. Oh my gosh, there's little bears holding hearts. Oh, it says Swimmer. It's random letters like that are in the Swimmer name. Oh, that's so cute. I love that. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to wear this. I'm definitely going to be taking some selfies and posting them wearing these because they are so cute. And I think this is the last thing. Oh, there's an extra. There's a little surprise. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna show you the thing that I bought first, and then you can see the little extra surprise they threw in. Okay. So, I got a purse. I got a cute new purse. Yay! Alright. I don't remember what it's called, but there's bears and bows and stars and hearts, and it's very pastel and very cute, and I definitely thought it was going to be bigger than this, but that is fine. I can fit my phone and stuff in it. Oh my goodness. It's so tiny. That's okay. It's so cute. It comes with this little detachable strap, which is cute. I usually like to have my bags like on my shoulders and stuff, so that is very good. Oh, the little bears. They're so sweet. I love them. Oh, and it says baby on it too. I think the bears are probably my favorite. Oh, and there's little hearts here. Do you see this? Like the little tie? That's so cute. Okay, so there's 2 extra things. Okay, I'm excited. So, this looks so cute. Oh my god. Okay, can I read this? No, I can't, because I was studying Japanese for a while, and then I stopped, and then I forgot like everything. But you know, at one point I could tell you what that says, but not what it means. Like I could read it, but not tell you what it means. Anyway, I don't know what this is, but it's food. Look how cute it is. I love it. I love cute candy. This is amazing. And it looks like it's strawberry flavored. And these remind me of little cherry blossom petals. Oh, this is so cutely packaged. I've never gotten this much candy in one order from them. Oh, do you see this? The little bag. I'll definitely use that to put like something in when I'm like doing something, or I don't know, but it's really cute. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can eat this one. Like the other one I'll probably eat, but I gotta save this one because there's a little bunny. Oh my gosh, the little bunny. Oh, I hope you can see this. I hope it's not really blurry. Even the back is cute. Why don't they have candy packaged as cute here? It's probably like lemon flavored or something. It says fruits on it. It's gonna be yummy. Why is there so much candy? That's such a happy surprise. I didn't even spend that much money. Oh, there's a little green one. I'm gonna guess that it's like green apple or something. And then there's another fruits candy. This is the last one. Oh, I don't, grape? Grape probably. It's probably grape. Japan loves grape flavors. The bag is really cute. I love it. That's everything I bought, with plus some additional happy surprise candies. So good. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I just knocked over the box. I hope that you enjoy this video and have a wonderful day. Bye!